Unlock your English. Kick it up a notch, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the colorful world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as dynamic as it is common. Kick it up a notch. This expression is a fantastic way to add some spice to your English conversations, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to impress your friends and colleagues. So, let's get started. The phrase, kick it up a notch, is used to express the idea of increasing the intensity, quality, or pace of an activity or situation. Imagine turning the volume up on your favorite song or pushing the gas pedal a little harder when you're driving. It's all about taking something to the next level. This expression can be used in a variety of contexts, from cooking and sports to business and personal development. It's a call to action, encouraging someone, or yourself, to go beyond the current limits and aim for a higher standard. Interestingly, the phrase gained popularity thanks to celebrity chefs and TV shows that focused on cooking and lifestyle improvements. It captures the essence of adding more flavor, effort, or enthusiasm to whatever one is doing, making it a perfect metaphor for enhancement in any area of life. Today, kick it up a notch is widely recognized and used across the English-speaking world, embodying the spirit of ambition and improvement. Using kick it up a notch in your daily conversations is a great way to sound more native and expressive. Here are some examples. In a business meeting, we've seen some good results this quarter, but let's kick it up a notch and aim for even higher sales next month. During a workout, you're doing great with these exercises, but if you want to see faster results, we need to kick it up a notch. While cooking with friends, this sauce is good, but let's kick it up a notch with some more spices. It's all about motivation and elevation, whether it's about self-improvement or encouraging others. Now that you know what it means and how to use it, it's time to practice. Try incorporating kick it up a notch into your English conversations and writing. Whether you're discussing your hobbies, studies, or work, this phrase can add energy and enthusiasm to your narrative. Thank you for joining us to explore the dynamic phrase, kick it up a notch. We hope this video has given you a new tool to enhance your English vocabulary and conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about gradual improvement and adding new expressions to your repertoire. So, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to kick your English skills up a notch. See you in the next video.